Introduction explains the comparison between React and Angular. React is maintained by Facebook, while Angular is maintained by Google. Understanding their key differences is essential for choosing the right tool. Key differences between React and Angular. Main bullet architecture. Sub-bullets. React is a library, provides flexibility for developers to choose tools. Angular is a full-fledged MVC framework, provides structure for large-scale projects. Main bullet, data binding. Sub-bullets. React uses one-way data binding, changes in UI elements only after changing model state. Angular uses two-way data binding, both model state and UI elements can be changed simultaneously. Main bullet, learning curve. Sub-bullets, React has a lower learning curve, fewer concepts to learn. Angular has a higher learning curve, more concepts and tools to understand. Tips and tricks. Main bullet, choosing the right tool. Sub-bullets, React's flexibility makes it a better choice for small to medium-sized projects. Angular's robustness makes it better suited for large-scale projects. Main bullet, optimizing performance. Sub-bullets, in React, performance can be optimized using should component update or pure component. In Angular, performance can be optimized using change detection strategy.onPush. Main bullet, avoiding common errors. Sub-bullets, in React, a common error is directly modifying the state, should use setState instead. In Angular, a common error is forgetting to unsubscribe from observables, which can lead to memory leaks. Conclusion: choice between React and Angular depends on project's requirements and teams' familiarity with these technologies. Both have strong community support and are being actively maintained and updated.